Have you ever imagined the life you really want? More freedom, more success, more happiness, but felt stuck not knowing where to start? The truth is, building the life you've always wanted isn't about luck. It's about following a proven framework, step by step. And today, I'm going to show you how. Most people drift through life reacting to whatever comes their way. But if you want to design a life you're excited to wake up to, you need intention. In this video, I'll break down the exact steps I use to shift from just existing to actually creating. And you can start applying them today. Clarity is everything. Most people don't get what they want simply because they never clearly define it. Write down, in detail, what your ideal day, career, relationships, and health would look like. Think big, but make it specific. Where do you live? Who are you surrounded by? What do you do with your time? Instead of, I want more money, say, I want to earn $100,000 a year remotely so I can travel. Clarity turns dreams into targets. Build identity-based habits. Success isn't about random bursts of motivation. It's about becoming the kind of person who lives that life naturally. Make an identity shift. Don't just want to be healthy. Become the kind of person who never skips workouts. Small, repeated habits compound into massive change. For example, writing 200 words a day means you'll have written a book in a year. Master your environment. Willpower is overrated. Your environment shapes your behavior more than motivation does. Want to eat healthier? Keep junk food out of the house. Want to focus? Clear your desk and keep your phone in another room. Surround yourself with people who push you higher. Your environment should make good habits easy and bad habits hard. Time is your greatest asset. The difference between people who succeed and those who don't often comes down to how they use their hours. Audit your week. How much time is lost to mindless scrolling, TV, or procrastination? Replace just one wasted hour a day with something that moves you toward your goals. That's 365 hours a year, nearly 9 extra work weeks. Learn, adapt, and keep moving. Life isn't linear. You'll hit setbacks. Expect them. The key is progress, not perfection. Learn, adjust, and keep going. Most people quit when they don't see instant results. But long-term success is built on staying consistent even when it's boring. Remember, motion creates clarity. You don't need the perfect plan to start. You just need to start. So, building the life you've always wanted comes down to 5 things: clarity, habits, environment, time, and persistence. These aren't just theories. They're practical steps anyone can take, starting today. The question is, are you ready to design your life? Or are you going to keep drifting?